पेन यूज करायचं असेल तर
नाही काय पेन बिन काय फक्त हे नसतात बाहेरूनच
चालते स्क्रीन दिसते आणि तुमची इथे व्हिडिओज वगैरे मग ऑन करतील का आहे सुद्धा नाही केलं तरी चालते.
दुसरी स्लाइड कशी होती स्लाइड कशा स्लाइड कशा
नेक्स्ट स्लाइड करू शकतो पाठीमागचे हे असलं तर हे
Good afternoon, all of you. All of you know you are facing CET examination on 21st August. You don't frighten this exam because this exam is based on your 10th standard syllabus. You have already learned this syllabus. In this exam, there are 4 subjects. First is English, second is maths, science, and social science. Every subject is given for 25 marks. So, these 4 subjects are given for 100 marks. If you get good marks in this CET exam, you will get admission in your favorite college without donation or without fee. So this exam is very important for you. For your guidance, I have given 4 topics. Today I shall not teach you new things, but I shall take revision which you have already learned in 10th standard. So my first topic is as soon as. Okay. First topic is as soon as. The meaning of the as soon as in Marathi, लगेच ताबडतोब. At first, we shall learn some rules. The first rule is Pratham in Marathi, Pratham as soon as that. That means at first you should write as soon as. After that, in Marathi, यानंतर दिलेल्या 2 वाक्याच्या अर्थानुसार जी क्रिया प्रथम घडली आहे ती लिहावी. That means after as soon as, you should find out which action happened at first. You should write this action after the as soon as. Rule number 3. यानंतर स्वल्पविराम देऊन नंतर घडणारी क्रिया लिहावी व त्या वाक्याच्या सुरुवातीलाच immediately, after, at once, suddenly, soon, instantly इत्यादी शब्द असतील तर ते काढा. When you write a first action, after that you should give comma. After giving the comma, if the beginning of the second sentence, the some words like immediately, after, at once, suddenly, soon, instantly, you should remove these words because the meaning of these words and the meaning of the as soon as is the same. So you don't forget to remove these words. Rule number 4. In Marathi, जर and ने 2 वाक्य जोडली असती तर अँड काढून त्याऐवजी स्वल्पविराम द्यावा व त्यापुढे कर्त्याचे सर्वनाम द्यावे. इफ these two sentences are joined with and, you remove the and, give the comma, and after that you write the pronoun of the subject. In this way you use as soon as. All of you know, when you ask to use as soon as, at that time you will give two sentences. You don't frighten this, how can I recite these rules? It is not necessary to recite these rules. If you solve many examples, already automatically you recite or remember these rules. So you don't frighten that these rules. You try to solve many examples. Now we shall learn some examples. First example is, he got the message. Immediately he went to him. Now observe this sentence carefully. In this sentence, there are two sentences. There are two actions. At first, try to find out which action happened at first. In this sentence, he got a message. Immediately he went to him. In these two sentences, find out which action happened at first. He got the message. त्याला मेसेज मिळाला, निरोप मिळाला. ताबडतोब he went to him. तो ताबडतोब त्याच्याकडे गेला. Try to understand the meaning of the sentence in Marathi, and after that find out the first action. He got the message. This is the first action. So you use as soon as the beginning of the first action. So you use as soon as he got the message, give the comma, and immediately. You remove these words immediately, because the meaning of this word and the meaning of the as soon as is same. So you remove immediately. Give the comma and write the second action, he went to him. In this way, as soon as he got the message, he went to him. Second sentence, he saw the monkey, he shouted. There are two sentences, there are two actions. Find out the first action. He saw the monkey. त्यानं माकड पाहिलं. He shouted. तो ओरडला. Which action happened at first? At first he saw the monkey. After that he shouted. So he saw the monkey. This is the first action. So you write as soon as before he saw the monkey. After that give the comma and write the second action. Second action, he shouted. After that, example third. The children heard the thunder. Their hearts started thudding. These are the two sentences. Find out the first action, which happened at first. The children heard the thunder. This is the first action. So you use as soon as, beginning of the first action. As soon as the children heard the thunder, give the comma. After that, write the second action. Their hearts started thudding. Now, next example. Mother noticed him and lost her temper. Now, there are two actions. The first action is mother noticed him. And second action, after that she lost her temper. So you use as soon as, beginning of the first action, as soon as mother noticed him. Now this sentence is joined with and. All of you know the rule. Now look the rule in Marathi. जर and ने दोन वाक्य जोडले असतील तर and काढून त्याऐवजी स्वल्पविराम द्यावा व त्यापुढे कर्त्याचे सर्वनाम द्यावे. Remove the and find out the pronoun of the subject. Mother is the subject. What is the pronoun of the mother? She. So you use she in a second sentence. Now, as soon as mother noticed him, you use the pronoun of the subject. She lost her temper. Now, next example. He drank He drank and was instantly struck down. Look at this example. This example is like the example in 4 number. He drank and he was instantly struck down. Find out the first action. He drank. This is the first action. And was instantly struck down. This is the second action. So you use as soon as beginning of the first action, as soon as he drank, give the comma. All of you know in this example, there the subject is he. The pronoun of the subject is also he. So he was struck down. So you use pronoun in a second action. Now, example number 6. He reached the platform, the train left. Understand the meaning of this sentence in Marathi. He reached the platform. Sorry, I reached the platform, the train left. मी प्लॅटफॉर्मवर पोहोचलो आणि ट्रेन निघून गेली. Which action happened at first? I reached the platform. After that, the train left. So you use as soon as before the first action. As soon as I reach the platform, give the comma and write the second action, the train left. Now, next example. The teacher entered the class. The boy stood up. Try to find out the first action. The teacher entered. At first, the teacher entered the class. After that, the boy stood up. So, the teacher entered the class. This is the first action. You use as soon as before this first action. As soon as the teacher entered the class, give the comma and write the second action, the boy stood up. Next example. He saw a tiger. He ran. Which action happened at first? At first, he saw a tiger. After that, he ran. You don't say that he ran and after that he saw a tiger. So try to find out the first action. He saw a tiger. He ran. He saw a tiger is a first action. So as soon as he saw a tiger, give the comma. He ran. After that, he had finished his work. He went up. Try to find out the first action. He had finished his work. Then काम संपवलं. After he went up. नंतर तो गेला. अगोदर काम संपवलं आणि नंतर तो गेला. So he had finished his work. This is the first action. So you use as soon as beginning of the first action. That means as soon as he had finished his work, give the comma and write the second action. He went away. After that, next example, Ram started singing. Ram started singing. The door opened immediately. Now look at this example. Try to understand the meaning of the sentence in Marathi or in simple English. Ram started singing. Ramने गायला सुरुवात केली. The door opened immediately. आपोआप दरवाजा ताबडतोब उघडला. Ram started singing. This is the first action. And the door opened immediately. This is the second action. So you use as soon as before the first action. As soon as Ram started singing, the door opened immediately. You should remove the word immediately. Already I have told you that the meaning of this immediately and meaning of the as soon as is same. So you remove these words immediately. Now the example becomes as soon as Ram started singing, give the comma, the door opened immediately. Now look at the next example. I came home, then it started raining. Find out the first action in this example. I came home. मी घरी आलो. And then it started. आणि नंतर पावसाला सुरुवात झाली. Find out the first action. I came home. मी घरी आलो आणि पावसाला सुरुवात झाली. So you use as soon as before the first action. As soon as I came home, give the comma, it started raining. Next example, it got dark immediately after we left the house. It got dark immediately after we left the house. Find the first action. It got dark. अंधार झाला ताबडतोब after we left the house. आम्ही घर सोडलं. If you find out the first action, it is very easy to use as soon as. Now look at this. As soon as it got dark, give the comma, remove the word immediately, because all of you know the meaning of the immediately and as soon as is the same. So remove this word. We left the house. Another example, he saw it and after he caught it. Find out the first action. At first he saw it and after that he caught it. So the first action is he saw it and the second action is he caught it. So you use as soon as before the first action. As soon as he saw it, remove the word and after, give the comma and write the second action, he caught. In this way, there are 18 examples. We have time limit, so I do not complete all these examples. Now, look at the another example. Question number 1, choose the correct sentence as soon as. You will face the in CET example like this example. The example is given there. 4 alternatives are given under the every example. You should find out the correct sentence or correct answer from these 4 alternatives. So you will face the example like this. First, Rupa noticed him and lost her temper. There are 4 alternatives. These alternatives are same. There is a little difference. There is a little mistake in these 4 alternatives. So you observe these alternatives carefully. If you hurriedly read these 4 alternatives, you will not give the correct answer. So it is your duty to observe these 4 examples carefully, try to find out the mistake, try to find which alternative is correct. Now Rupa noticed him and lost her temper. We shall check the first alternative. As soon as Rupa noticed him, as she lost her temper. Now observe this sentence. As soon as is not used in a proper place. As is used in between 2 sentences. So this alternative is not correct. Second, as soon as Rupa noticed him, she lost her temper. As soon as Rupa noticed him, this is the first action, and she lost her temper, this is the second action. Now look at the second alternative. As soon as Rupa noticed him, give the comma, remove the and use the pronoun of the subject, Rupa. So there is a pronoun she, lost her temper. So this B alternative is correct. Why this C alternative is not correct? Rupa noticed him as soon as she lost her temper. In this third alternative, as soon as is used before the second action. So this third option is not correct. Third alternative is not correct. Now, fourth alternative, Rupa noticed as soon as she lost her temper. In this sentence, as soon as is used in a wrong place. So this alternative is not correct. In this way, in this 4 alternative, the second option is correct. When you solve this type of examples, at that time, you should observe every alternative very carefully. If you do the hurry, you will do the mistake. So it is very important to observe every alternative carefully. Now look at the second example. The match goes out, then you will leave immediately. There are 4 alternatives. First alternative, as the match goes out, as you will live. All of you know, without alternative, you can try to use as soon as, because we have already learned many examples. So there is no need to see the alternative. But for your information, there are given alternatives. You should find out the correct alternative. The match goes out, then you will leave immediately. Find the first action, find out the second action, remove the some words. Now first, as the match goes out, as you will leave. In this sentence, in this alternative, as soon as is not used in one place. As is used in first beginning of the sentence, second as is used in between two sentences. So this example is, this alternative is not correct. Second, the match goes out as soon as you will. Now look at this alternative carefully. As soon as is used beginning of the second action. So this option is not correct. Alternative 4. As soon as the match goes out, as soon as the match goes out, you will leave. As soon as the match go, there is a goes and the verb used go. So this alternative is also not correct. And last, as soon as the match goes out, you will leave. This fourth alternative is correct because as soon as is used before the first action, there is given a comma, and after that write the second action, and immediately this word is removed. In this way, like this example, you will face this CET exam. So it is your first duty to observe every alternative very carefully, because there is any mistake in a 3 alternatives and 1 alternative is correct. In this way, we have completed our first topic, the use of as soon as. Now, second topic is use of no sooner than. The meaning of this no sooner than is nahi toch. That means no sooner than and as soon as is the same. Now, there are some rules. After seeing these 7 rules, you will frighten that how can I recite these rules? But you don't frighten these rules. It is not necessary to recite these rules. If you solve many examples like this, automatically you will remember, you will recite these rules. So you don't frighten these rules. These rules are given for only your understanding. If you solve many examples, there is no need of these rules. The first rule is in Marathi, pratham no sooner than. Second, as soon as दिले असेल तर त्याऐवजी no sooner than. आता no sooner सुद्धा आपण जी घटना, जी क्रिया अगोदर घडलेली आहे त्याच्या अगोदर no sooner वापरतो. as soon as दिले असेल तर त्याऐवजी no sooner वापरावे. आता तुम्हाला माहिती आहे as soon as जर दिला असेल तर आपल्याला पहिली घडलेली घटना किंवा पहिली घडलेली कृती ही शोधायची गरज नाही. ऑलरेडी देर इज गिवन as soon as, so you use no sooner in place of as soon as. जर आपल्याला दिलेल्या वाक्यामध्ये जर as soon as ऑलरेडी दिला असेल तर आपण अगदी त्या as soon as च्या जागेवर no sooner वापरायचं. तिसरा नियम, पहिल्या वाक्यात किंवा as soon as च्या वाक्यात जे तुम्हाला पहिलं वाक्य दिले किंवा जे as soon as वापरून जे वाक्य दिले त्या वाक्यात टू बी चे रूप, इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट रूल, त्या वाक्यामध्ये टू बी चे रूप आहे का पाहायचं. यू नो द फॉर्म ऑफ टू बी, एम इज आर वॉज वेअर, दीज आर द फॉर्म ऑफ टू. आफ्टर दॅट टू हॅव चे रूप, द फॉर्म ऑफ टू हॅव म्हणजे as soon as च्या वाक्यात किंवा तुम्हाला जे पहिलं वाक्य दिले त्याच्यामध्ये टू बी चे रूप पाहायचं आहे का किंवा टू हॅव चे रूप आहेत का पाहायचं. टू हॅव चे रूप कोणते आहेत, हॅव, हॅज, हॅव हे आहे का पाहायचं. आफ्टर दॅट फाइंड आउट द फॉर्म ऑफ टू डू. नंतर टू डूचं रूप आहे का पाहायचं. डू डज डीड ही टू डूची रूप आहे, किंवा राहिलेली शल विल कॅन, किंवा अगर सहाय्यकारी क्रियापद असेल तर ते लिहायचं. दिस इज थर्ड रूल. थर्ड रूल इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. फोर्थ, परंतु वाक्यात वरील पैकी एकही शब्द नसेल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, देर इज नो फॉर्म ऑफ टू बी, देर आर नो फॉर्म ऑफ टू हॅव, देर आर नो फॉर्म ऑफ टू डू. ऍट दॅट टाइम व्हॉट विल यू डू. आपण काय करायचं. म्हणजे टू बीचं रूपही नाही, टू हॅवचं रूपही नाही, आणि टू डूचं रूपही नाही. तर मग आपण काय करायचं. वरील पैकी एकही शब्द नसेल तर मुख्य क्रियापदाच्या काळानुसार त्या वाक्यामध्ये जे क्रियापद दिले त्याच्यामध्ये जो काळ आहे त्या मुख्य क्रियापदाच्या काळानुसार टू डूचं सहाय्य घ्यायचं. त्या टू डूची रूप तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. डू डज डिड. इफ देअर इज अ सिंपल प्रेझेंट टेन्स यू यूज डू. जर साधा वर्तमान काळ असेल तर डू वापरायचं. इफ देअर इज अ येस ऑर इयस फॉर वर्ब्स, क्रियापदास एस इयस किंवा आय एस असेल तर डज वापरायचं. पुढचं, क्रियापद भूतकाळी असेल, क्रियापद भूतकाळी असेल तर डीड वापरायचं. क्रियापद भूतकाळी असेल तर डीड वापरायचं. नेक्स्ट रूल, यानंतर कर्ता व क्रियापद लिहायचं. आफ्टर दॅट राईट द सब्जेक्ट, आफ्टर दॅट राईट द वर्ब. परंतु आपण जर टू डूचे सहाय्य घेतले असेल तर क्रियापदाचं मूळ रूप वापरायचं. म्हणजे जर वाक्यामध्ये टू बीचं रूप नसेल, टू हॅवचं रूप नसेल तर आपण टू डूच्या रूपाचं जर सहाय्य घेतलं असेल तर आपण त्याच्यानंतर जे येणारे क्रियापद आहे त्याचं मूळ रूप वापरायचं. रूल नंबर 6, पहिल्या वाक्यानंतर आलेला पूर्णविराम, स्वल्पविराम किंवा अँड काढून त्याऐवजी दॅन लिहा. In between two sentences, you use than, and असल्यास त्यापुढे सर्वनाम नसेल तर कर्त्यानुसार लिहावे. If the sentence is joined with and, at that time you use the pronoun of the subject. Last rule, जर दुसऱ्या वाक्याच्या सुरुवातीलाच immediately, after, at once, suddenly, otherwise, soon, instantly आणि almost, sometime इत्यादी शब्द असेल तर ते काढावे. and give the full stop. That means like as soon as. If there are some words like immediately, after, at once, suddenly, you should remove these words. Now it is not necessary to recite these rules. Now if you solve these many examples, automatically you will remember the rules. We shall see the example. The first example is, as soon as he enters, the boys stand up. Now, look at this example. In this example, there are two sentences, two actions. As soon as he enters, the boys stand up. आता आपलं as soon as दिलेलं आहे. जर as soon as दिला असेल तर आपल्याला ऑलरेडी अगोदर घडलेली घटना ही शोधून दिलेली आहे, क्रिया शोधून दिलेली, तरच आपण as soon as वापरू शकतो. त्यामुळे as soon as च्या जाग्यावर no sooner वापरायचं. After that, in first sentence, he enters. Find out the form of to be, form of to have, form of to do. याच्यामध्ये to be चं रूप आहे का पाहायचं. am, is, are आहे का पाहायचं. नाही. to have चं रूप आहे का. have, has, had तेही नाही. to do चं रूप आहे का. do, does, did नाही. मग अशा वेळेस तुम्ही काय करायचं. तर आता आपल्याला इथं टू डूचं सहाय्य घ्यावं लागतं. कारण याच्यामध्ये टू बीचं रूप नाही, टू हॅवचं नाही आणि टू डूचंही नाही. मग आपल्याला पाहावं लागतं की ॲज सून च्या जागेवर आपण नो सूनर वापरलं. ही एंटर्स म्हणजे इथं जर क्रियापदास एस किंवा एस प्रत्यय असेल तर आपण डज वापरतो. नो सूनर डज ही एंटर. क्रियापदाचं मूळ रूप वरच्या वाक्यामध्ये एंटर्स आहे, त्यातला एस निघून जातो कारण आपण इथं डज वापरलेला आहे. नो सूनर डज एंटर्स, जॉईन दिस सेंटेन्स विथ दॅन. आफ्टर दॅट राईट द सेकंड ऍक्शन, द बॉईज स्टँड अप. In this way, the sentence will become like this. No sooner does he enter than the boys stand up. After that, second example, as soon as he had seen the danger, he leaped behind. He leaped behind. आता इथं ऑलरेडी आपल्याला ॲज सून ॲज म्हणून फर्स्ट ऍक्शन शोधून दिलेलीच आहे. त्यामुळे आपण ॲज सून ॲजच्या जागा नो सूनर वापरणार आहोत. नो सूनर वापरलेलं आहे. परत त्याच्यामध्ये टू बीचं रूप आहे का बघायचं. हे मीज आर वॉज आहे का बघायचं नाही. याच्यामध्ये मग टू हॅवचं रूप आहे का बघायचं. तर याच्यामध्ये टू हॅवचं रूप आहे हॅड. आफ्टर द नो सूनर हॅड. त्याच्यानंतर करता ही. नंतर इथं क्रियापद. आता इथे हॅड वापरल्यामुळे क्रियापदाचं इथं आपण तिसरं रूप वापरतो. नो सूनर हॅड ही सीन द डेंजर. दोन वाक्याच्या मध्ये दॅन ही लिफ्ट बे. थर्ड एक्झाम्पल, ॲज सून ॲज आय रीच द क्लास आय गेव द लेटर टू द टीचर. म्हणजे मी वर्गात पोहोचतात शिक्षकांना पत्र दिलं. पहिली घडलेली घटना ही ॲज सून ॲज मुळे आपल्याला कळालीच आहे. त्यामुळे ॲज सून ॲजच्या जागा आपण पहिल्यांदा नो सून वापरायचं. आता परत याच्यामध्ये पाहायचं की टू बीचं रूप आहे का. हे मीज आर वॉज वेअर कोणतंही नाही. टू हॅवचं रूप आहे का. हॅव हॅड हॅव हॅड हॅज नाही. याच्यानंतर याच्यामध्ये टू डूचं रूप आहे का. डू डज डीड तेही नाही. मग याच्यानंतर आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल. याच्यामध्ये फाइंड आउट द टेन्स ऑफ द वर्ब. रीच्ड. So there is a past tense, and if there is a past tense, you use the form of to do did. So you use did. No sooner did I reach. First form of the verb. There is a reached. You use the first form of the verb reach the class and join this sentence with then I gave the letter to the teacher. After that, next example. As soon as I scrambled out of the pool, Meena accused me. As soon as is given there, so there is not need to find out the first action. So you use no sooner. Find out there is a form of to be, form of to have, form of to do. No one is there. So find out the tense, scrambled, past tense. So no sooner did I scramble, the first form of the verb, out of the pool, then is used between these two sentences. Meena accused me. Another example, fifth, we had entered the house, the phone started ringing. Now look at this sentence. In this sentence there is no use of as soon as. Now there is a need to find out the first action, which action happened at first. So we had entered the house. आम्ही घरात प्रवेश केला. The phone started ringing. नंतर फोन वाजायला सुरुवात झाली. The first action is we had entered the house. It is very important. And after that the phone started ringing. So you use no sooner beginning of the first action. As soon as is not given there. So it is a need to find out the first action. So you use no sooner had. No sooner form of to have is given there. So no sooner had. After that, write the subject. We enter the house. Join these two sentences with then the phone started ringing. In this way, we have a time limit. There are many examples, but when you solve these examples, you will not need to recite the rules. Now, there are 15 examples. Now you will face the examples like this. Choose the correct sentence. Choose the correct sentence of no sooner than. First, the race started, we were looking for Ram. In this, under this sentence, there are given 4 alternatives. There are some mistakes in 3 alternatives and 1 alternative is correct. So it is very important to observe these 4 alternatives carefully. The race started, we were looking for Ram. First alternative, no sooner does the race started, then we were looking for Ram. No sooner does. Now, this verb is in a past tense. The verb is in a past tense. So, there is used does. It is not correct. So, the first alternative is not correct. Second, no sooner do. The verb is in past tense. Do is used. So, the second alternative is not correct. Third, no sooner did the race start. No sooner did the race start, we were looking for Ram. This alternative is correct because no sooner is used before the first action. There is no form of to be, form of to have, form of to do. So look at the verb started. So use the form of to do did. The race start. The first form of the started is a start. There is a mistake. There is no use of then. We were looking for Ram. So this alternative is also not correct. Now look at the fourth alternative. No sooner did the race start, then we were looking for Ram. This alternative is correct because there is a use of did, there is a use of first form of the verb start, and these two sentences are joined with then. So this alternative is correct. Now, second example, the man tried to walk, he fell flat on his face. In this example, try to find out the first action because the as soon as is not given there. So it is your first duty to find out the first action. The man tried to walk. त्या माणसाने चालायला सुरुवात केली. He fell flat on his face. तो तोंडावर पडू लागला. This is the first action. So you use no sooner, beginning of the first action. No sooner. Now there are four alternatives. Check the every alternative. No sooner the man tried to walk, then he fell flat on his face. No sooner the man tried. There is no use of form of to be, form of to do, form of to have. So this alternative is not correct. Second, no sooner did the man try to walk, he fell flat on his face. In the second alternative, there is no use of then. So this alternative is not correct. In a third alternative, no sooner do the man try to walk, then he fell flat on his face. In this alternative, there is no proper use of verb or form of to do. There is a tried, there is use of do. So this third alternative is also not correct. And fourth alternative, no sooner did the man try to walk, then he fell flat on his face. This alternative is correct because no sooner is used at the beginning of the first action. The form of to do, did is used. These two sentences are joined with then. So this fourth alternative is correct. In this way, we learn how to use, not how to use no sooner than in various examples. Another topic is not only but also. The meaning of this not only but also is neither ते सुद्धा. There are some rules. पहिल्या वाक्यातील to be च्या रूपानंतर not only लिहा. In this not only but also, there are given two sentences, or the two sentences are joined with and. So पहिल्या वाक्यातील to be च्या रूपानंतर not only लिहा. जर पहिल्या वाक्यामध्ये to be चे रूप असेल तर त्याच्यानंतर not only लिहायचं. सेकंड, जर वाक्यात to be चे रूप नसेल तर क्रियापदापूर्वी not only लिहावं. जर दिलेल्या वाक्यामध्ये to be चंच रूप नाही तर त्याच्यामध्ये जे क्रियापद आहे त्याच्या अगोदर not only लिहायचं. पहिल्या वाक्यानंतर आलेला पूर्ण विराम काढून त्याऐवजी but also लिहायचं. म्हणजे दोन वाक्य असतील तर पहिलं वाक्य संपल्यानंतरचा जो फुल स्टॉप आहे तो काढायचा आणि but also लिहायचं. रूल नंबर 4, परंतु दुसरे वाक्य अँड किंवा ॲज वेल ॲजने जोडले असेल तर त्याऐवजी बट ऑल्सो लिहायचे. जर ती दोन वाक्य म्हणजे पहिल्या वाक्यानंतर जर अँड किंवा ॲज वेल ॲज आलं असेल तर त्या ॲज वेल ॲज किंवा अँडच्या ऐवजी बट ऑल्सो लिहायचं. आणि रूल नंबर 5, दुसऱ्या वाक्याच्या सुरुवातीलाच पहिल्या वाक्यातील नामाऐवजी वापरले सर्वनाम, तेच टू बीचे रूप, तेच क्रियापद, सारखे असणारे शब्द ॲज वेल ॲज, ऑल्सो आणि शेवटी असणारा टू काढून पूर्णविराम द्यावा. You don't jumble after hearing these rules. These rules are not necessary. If you solve the many example like this, automatically you will recite, you will remember these rules. So you don't frighten, how can I recite these rules? Try to solve many examples like this. First example, Ramnath was selfish, he was crafty. Observe this example. Ramnath was selfish and he was crafty. In this example, there are two different things. You should try to join these two different things with the help of not only but also. So it is your first duty to find out the two different things. In the first sentence, Ramnath was selfish, he was crafty. Selfish and crafty, these are two different things. So you join these two different things with the help of not only but also. Now look at Ramnath was. This is a form of to be. तुम्हाला पहिल्या वाक्यात सांगितले, पहिल्या वाक्यात to be च्या रूपानंतर not only लिहायचं. was हे to be चे रूप आहे. त्यामुळं Ramnath was not only selfish, दोन वाक्याच्या मध्ये but also crafty. That means selfish and crafty. These two words join with not only but also. So it is very important to find out the two different things and use not only but also. Next example, we have Lakshmi, we have Durga. Find out the two different things. Lakshmi and Durga, these are the two different things. Now look at, we have form of to be. Form of to have is given there, have. So you use not only after the form of to be, form of to have. We have not only Lakshmi, because we have not only Lakshmi but also Durga. These two different things join with not only but also. Next example, Dhira was a shoe shine boy. He was hardworking. Two different things. A shoe shine boy, hardworking boy. You join these two different things with not only but also. Form of to be is given there. So you use not only after the form of to be. He was not only a shoe shine boy between these two sentences, but also hardworking boy. That means you join these two different things with not only but also. Next example, Jijabai tended him lovingly. She made him a great man. Two different things. Tended him lovingly, made him a great man. These are two different things. Join these two different things with the not. So एक 10 मिनिटं. Jijabai tended him lovingly. Say made him a great man. There are two different things. Tended him lovingly, made him a great man. Join these two different things with not only but also. But there is a verb. There is a verb. There is not form of to be. So you use not only before the verb. Before the verb. Jijabai not only tended him lovingly, but also made him a great man. After that, next example. She closed the door. She bolted it from outside. See, close the door, two different things. Close the door and bolted it from outside. These are the two different things. You should join these two different things with not only but also. See, there is a verb, so you use not only before the verb. If there is a form of to be, you will use not only after the form of to be. It is very important. There is a verb closed, so you use not only before the verb. See, not only close the door, but also bolted it from outside. These two different things are joined with not only but also. Now, example number 7. He was rich and powerful. Look at this sentence. There are two words, rich and powerful. These are the different words. So you join with not only but also. He was. The form of to be is given there. So you use not only after the form of to be. He was not only rich. Remove the and but also powerful. These rich and powerful. These two different things or words are joined with not only but also. After that, she was grieved and surprised. Find out the two different things, grieved and surprised. Join these two different things with the not only but also. Was, that means the form of to be is given there. So you use not only after the form of to be. He was not only grieved but also surprised. He was clever and smart. He was clever and smart. Find the two different things, clever and smart. Join these two different things with the help of not only but also. Form of to be is given there. So you use not only after the form of to be. He was not only clever but also smart. Last example. She was short-tempered and impatient. Two different things, short-tempered and impatient. Join these two different things with the help of not only but also. She was not only short-tempered but also smart. Now another next example is I like tea and coffee. I like tea and coffee. I like not only tea but also coffee. Like this, there are many examples. In this way, 16 examples are given there. If you do the practice, if you solve the many example like this, it is not difficult to use not only but also. It is very easy. But if only you recite the rules again and again, there is no use. It is very important to solve the many examples, to do the revision of many examples. After that, you will understand the rules. Now, you will face the CET example like this example. The example is given there. Under this example, there are 4 alternatives. You should find out the correct alternative from these 4 alternatives. The weather is saline and alkaline. Two different things, you know. Find out the correct alternative. The water is not saline only but also alkaline. Not only is not used in proper place, but also is used in wrong place. So this first alternative is not correct. Second, the water is but also saline, not only alkaline, but also is used before the not only. So this alternative is not correct. Third option, not only the water is saline, but also alkaline. In this alternative, not only but also is not in proper place. And third, the water is not only saline but also alkaline. This option is correct because the not only used after the form of to be but also used between these two words. So the fourth alternative is correct. Second example, the weather was mild and sunny. two different things, mild and sunny. Join these two different things with the help of not only but also we can check these four alternatives. The weather is not only mild but also sunny. There is a use of was, but there is used is. So the first alternative is not correct. Second, the weather only was not mild but also sunny. Not only is not used in proper place. So this second option is not correct. Third, the weather was but also mild, not only sunny. In third option, but also is used before the not only. So the third alternative is not correct. And last, the weather was not only mild but also sunny. The fourth alternative is correct because not only is used after the form of to be and not only but also these words join the two different things, mild and sunny. So the fourth alternative is correct. In this way, we have learned how to use not only but also in different examples. And my last topic is prefix, suffix, and compound. All of you know this topic has already learned you. Mr. Jadhav sir taught you this topic, but I want to take this topic briefly. Now, prefix, suffix, and compound word. Word formation, prefix. What do you mean by prefix? Prefix means a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of word to change the meaning or make a new word is called prefix. In Marathi, a letter or group of letters, अक्षर किंवा अक्षरांचा समूह add to the beginning of the word. जेव्हा आपण एखाद्या शब्दाच्या सुरुवातीला तो आपण जोडतो, अक्षर किंवा अक्षरांचा समूह एखाद्या शब्दाच्या सुरुवातीला जोडतो टू चेंज द मिनिंग. कशासाठी? आणि तो जोडल्यानंतर त्याचा अर्थ बदलतो ऑर मेक अ न्यू वर्ड किंवा त्याच्यापासून एक नवीन शब्द तयार होतो, त्याला आपण प्रिफिक्स असं म्हणतो. थोडक्यात शब्दाच्या अगोदर जोडला जाणारा प्रत्यय त्याला आपण प्रिफिक्स असं म्हणतो. हा प्रिफिक्स जोडल्यानंतर शब्दाचा अर्थ बदलतो किंवा त्याच्यापासून नवीन शब्द तयार होतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल्स आर गिवन देअर. रूट वर्ड मीन्स मूळ शब्द, ॲपियर. त्याला जर आपण प्रिफिक्स प्रत्यय लावला शब्दाच्या अगोदर डिस, तर त्याच्यापासून नवीन शब्द तयार झाला डिसअपियर. That means the meaning of appear and meaning of disappear is a difference. So when you add the prefix, the root word, meaning of the root word and meaning of the new word is different. Now happy, use prefix un, the new word became unhappy. In this way, this, un, these are the prefix. When you join this prefix before this root word, there will become a new word. Meaning will change. Now suffix. A letter or group of letters added to the end of word. अक्षर किंवा अक्षरांचा समूह कधी जोडला जातो? एंड ऑफ द वर्ड, शब्दाच्या शेवटी. त्याच्यामुळे काय होतो? चेंज द मिनिंग, मूळ शब्दाचा अर्थ बदलतो. और मेक अ न्यू वर्ड, किंवा त्याच्यापासून नवीन शब्द तयार होतो, त्याला आपण सफिक्स म्हणतो. इन मराठी शब्दाच्या नंतर जोडला जाणारा प्रत्यय त्याला आपण सफिक्स म्हणतो. आता रूट वर्ड, मूळचा शब्द काय? काइंड. त्याला तुम्ही सफिक्स जोडला नेस, काइंडनेस, न्यू वर्ड काइंडनेस. The meaning of kind and meaning of kindness is different. So when you add a suffix at the end of the word, there become a new word, and there is a difference in the meaning of root word and new word. Now second is a care. You join the suffix full, new word became careful. In this way, when you join the suffix, the meaning of root word is completely changed. That means suffix म्हणजे काय? की शब्दाच्या नंतर येणारा प्रत्यय की त्याच्यापासून नवीन शब्द तयार होतो आणि अर्थ बदलतो. थर्ड, कंपाऊंड वर्ड. कंपाऊंड वर्ड्स are made up of two or more similar words that are combined to make a new word with its own meaning. कंपाऊंड वर्ड म्हणजे काय? की दोन शब्द एकत्र येऊन तिसरा शब्द तयार होतो. वेगळ्याच अर्थाचा तिसरा शब्द तयार होतो, त्याला आपण कंपाऊंड वर्ड असं म्हणतो. म्हणजे दोन शब्द एकत्र, त्यांचा अर्थ वेगळे असतात, पण ते दोन एकत्र आल्यानंतर तिसराच नवीन अर्थाचा शब्द तयार होतो, त्याला कंपाऊंड वर्ड असं म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, बायसिकल, sunflower. Sunflower. In this word, there are two words, sun and flower. When you bring these two words together, there become a new word, sunflower. Another, laptop. In this compound word, there are two words, lap and top. When you bring these two words together, new word become a compound word. Now, look at the examples. Add prefix to make a new word. म्हणजे नवीन शब्द बनवण्यासाठी प्रिफिक्स जोडा, म्हणजे शब्दाच्या अगोदर प्रत्यय जोडा. There are many examples like dislike, this is a prefix. Agree, disagree, this is a prefix. Play, replay, re is a prefix. Write, rewrite, re is a prefix. Able, unable, un is a prefix. Correct, incorrect, in is a prefix. Complete, incomplete, in is a prefix. Possible, impossible, im is a prefix. Mortal, immortal, im is a prefix. Accept, act, react, re is a prefix. Tie, untie, un is a prefix. In this way, there are many examples. You can add a prefix before the word, you can make a new word. Now, there are some examples of suffix. Suffix means शब्दाच्या नंतर येणारा प्रत्यय. Success, successful. FUL is a suffix. Hope, hopeful. FUL is a suffix. Comfort, comfortable. ABL is a suffix. Reason, reasonable. ABL is a suffix. Usual, usually. LY is a suffix. New, newly. LY is a suffix. In this way, we have completed the suffix. Now last, make a compound word. Teapot, tea and pot. Tea and pot, these words, when you bring together, become a new word, teapot. Snake bite, sportman. Sports is the first word, man is another word. When you combine these two words, there become a new word, compound word. Batsman, book binding. There are many examples. Now, when you are facing the CET examination, in that examination, you will face the example like this. Find the prefix in the word unfortunate. You will give the 4 alternatives. तुम्हाला 4 पर्याय दिले जातील, त्यातला योग्य निवडायचा. Find the prefix in word unfortunate. Unfortunate या शब्दातला prefix निवड, शोधा. मग fortune, 8, fortunate, un is a right answer. Find out root word, disagree from the given alternative. Disagree या शब्दातील मूळ शब्द शोधा, त्याला prefix लागलाय. मग agree, dis, age, agree. Agree is a root word. And last example, choose the correct compound word from the following word. खालील शब्दातील compound word शोधा. Table, cycle, window, moonlight. In this sentence, there is a compound word, moonlight. In this way, we have completed the 4 topic as soon as, no sooner than, not only but also prefix, suffix, and compound words. Thank you. तुम्ही ते नियोजन करून दिल्यामुळे मला काय टेन्शन नाही, व्यवस्थित झालं. थँक्यू.